Welcome back to another one, guys. We are out here. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. We got the white hoodies on today. Gotta have that. We'll blend in with the old layout blinds. Let's hope, cross our fingers, this isn't too much snow and they didn't switch fields or anything like that. So if they come back, I think it'll be really freaking epic. We got about an 8-mile-an-hour wind. The snow is supposed to stop about 8:30, so banking on ducks coming early in the morning, right at sunrise. With the snow coming down, they usually fly at sunrise. The honkers will probably wait a little bit on the water, come about 9:30. We'll see, but y'all stay tuned. We've got a big pile of people out here today, so we're gonna try to shoot a big old stack of birds. We'll catch you guys here in a bit when we're shooting some ducks and geese right in the face, y'all. Try to shoot him, boys. Get that one. Nice shot. Get him. One more. Ah, dang. Left side. Left side need a little work over there, boy. Man, I thought they were gonna fly late today. We might get some early action. Shee-wee.
That motherfucker said put him on the ground.
Couldn't hit him on the ground.
Get back here.
Those are little guys. Shit.
Those are, lessers?
That's a lesser there.
Lessers.
All right, y'all. This is what we got. We got a west wind blowing that way, that direction. We got the family packs way out here. Check this out, though. We got the layouts. I don't know if you can see them, but we got them up there. Snow covers. Put some barley in the straps. Make it kind of look like this. We got 10 dozen full body Bigfoots and 10 dozen sleeper shells kind of throughout the whole spread. Looking super, super good. It's gonna be probably a late morning when these things fly, so it's already 9 o'clock. We got everyone sitting in their trucks until a couple flocks come so they stay warm. It is 0 degrees today, so we'll see what happens. We got one little 5-pack that came in early out of nowhere off somewhere else that we didn't think they were coming from, so waited about 30 minutes. Y'all go warm up in your trucks and we'll holler at you when they start coming. Check it out. Two flappers out here. Oh baby. Yep. We got the silhouettes behind the blinds too to cover up the boxy look behind us.
Oh baby.
We got a lure dog out here.
It's like 1 degree. 1 single degree.
You got ice on your beard.
Yeah, baby.
We got Bentley out here. Yeah, boy. Here we go. Shoot him, boys! Get that third one. Come on, y'all. Dang. Well, got a couple. Y'all load up.
Here.
Come on, boy. Pick it up, boy.
All right. Hold it. Here. Yes, place it. Place it.
Shoot him, boys. Shoot him.
Got it. Nice. got him in
That was a wipeout, boys. Reload.
Nice shoot.
Reload.
Good shot, boys.
That was a wipeout. All but two. Oh yeah, we got some ducks. Nice.
Here.
I wasn't sure they were gonna keep coming.
No, you did right, baby.
I was waiting just long enough.
Here.
Wipeout, baby.
Lights out. Lights
Oh,
out.
rain out. Nice. Heck yeah, Bentley boy. That was awesome, dude. That was sexy there. Crawled right up where we wanted him. Good doggy, good doggy.
We made up for that last round.
Good doggy. Yeah, that was making up there. Look at there, boy. Look at there, boy. Take him there, boys. Keep shooting. Golly.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby.
I think I shot the same goose 3 times and it just went down.
These shoot swans. Don't shoot them, boys.
You want to shoot your swan?
Got some swans out.
You can hunt them down south, can you?
We hunt them everywhere we go.
Here.
Those are doing it perfect, man.
Those are awesome.
Here.
Just a perfect west wind.
Yeah, that was nice.
Crawling up the spread.
Yeah, baby.
Ooh, tackle. Little guys, a little lesser guys.
Little guys. Here.
Yeah, boy, what you think about it, boy?
Oh, baby.
Oh,
They
yeah.
did it nasty.
I didn't
Got
hit
him,
it.
baby.
I
Got
tried
him,
to
baby.
hit that front one. I didn't hit shit. Close your doors, Corey. Oh gosh, they were right on top of us. Shoot that goose.
Sit.
Oh wow.
Bentley.
You just never know.
I get excited.
And we already got 20 down, boy.
Yeah, baby.
Nice. Y'all lay down if you see one. Lay on down, boys. Lay on down.
Place. Place.
Five more coming. Shoot 'em, boys! Did we get all of them up? I got one out front. Yeah.
Nice shoot,
Hell
y'all.
yeah, boys.
Nice shoot.
Did the 5 up top get hammered?
I think they killed
Woo!
all
think
five
they
up
killed
top.
all
Here.
five.
Did we really?
Hey, y'all killed all 5 of them.
We got 7 there?
I was playing on the ground with them.
Oh, sorry, I was pointing the gun there.
Come here.
baby. I was going for the ground shot.
He wants you to get up, boy. You gotta.
No, he don't like me.
He wants you to stand next to him, boy. Come around the right. Right at us. Shoot him out front. Nice shot. Nice shot. You doubled there. Nice. Got all four of them? Go down, boy. Go down, boy. Nice.
Something coming up, baby.
I thought there was another flock coming, but this one didn't end up going down.
Look it up. Here. Back.
Well, you got one of those duck band things.
Here, heel. Here. Yes, heel. Right here. No, you back here. No, get back here. Back.
They're gonna do it. Take them, boys. Oh no, click.
Some of that, bitch.
Oh, I clicked, man. Ah, stupid shell. He went down.
Went down, baby.
Yeah! Yeah! Thought I missed him.
Oh, yeah.
Man. He roasted one. I was pointing at two that you got, and I had to switch birds. Heck yeah. We get all of them?
Yeah, every one of them.
Ew, man, we had to work for them.
Smack down, baby.
Nice.
No.
I got all of them.
With this crap camera.
Heel. Yes.
All right, y'all, sorry to kind of cut you off. That's all I got footage-wise. My GoPro died, and the hunt was pretty much over anyway. A lot of our birds from our roost went to a different roost overnight because cold weather froze up most of the roost. We drove by it after the hunt. I think a lot of the birds left and went to another roost in another field. So it is what it is. Ended up with about 37 geese, and it is what it is. You know, what do you do? What do you do? You can't plan for that. I mean, I don't know. Before y'all click off this video, though, I need your help. I need your help big time. The channel's growing fast. Some of the videos that have been posted are hitting 50, 80, 100,000 views. So we got a lot of haters coming on this channel. So I want to count on you. I don't respond to haters or bad comments. So if you guys want to read the comments and go through them and you respond to these people, it'd be much appreciated. I think it would be great to have a great community have your back, you know, have your boys back. I couldn't care any less to have negative comments on my videos. I feel like people that are growing in any industry have haters, so it is what it is. But y'all be sure, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and if you're new here, subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll be sure to catch you on the next one.